A survival shovel might not be the first thing you pack for a camping trip, but when you need to dig a trench, clear brush, chop kindling, or pry something loose, it becomes the most important tool in your bag. The tricky part is finding one that actually holds up. Too many are flimsy, overloaded with gimmicks, or just too heavy to carry. I looked at 5 of the most popular survival shovels out there, dug through the specs, the user feedback, and the real-world testing to find the ones that earn their place in your pack. Here's what made the cut. The RHINO USA is built from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish for corrosion resistance. It extends to a full 22 inches, but folds down to just 9 by 6 inches, weighing only 2 pounds. The 3-in-1 design offers a 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe. You switch modes by repositioning the head. To use it, simply unfold, lock the head into your desired angle, and get to work. Users praise its solid build and lifetime replacement guarantee, but note the pickaxe mode is better for breaking ground than heavy prying. Best for the overlander or prepper who wants a reliable, American-backed shovel with versatile digging angles and no confusing multi-tool gimmicks. The Sahara Sailor packs 12 functions into one collapsible package. Military-grade solid carbon steel blade meets aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubes. Beyond shoveling and hoeing, you get a saw, cleaver, whistle, knife, fish scaler, bottle opener, emergency hammer, flat blade screwdriver, and 4 sizes of wrenches integrated into the handle. The twist lock mechanism secures the shaft for solid extension or folds it down for storage. To use it, deploy the blade, lock the tubes, and access your tools via the hollow handle. Users appreciate the sheer versatility, but note the multi-tools are basic. They'll get you out of a bind but won't replace dedicated gear. Best for the minimalist backpacker who wants one tool that does everything in a pinch. The Tyger Auto features a patented instant switch mechanism. Simply pull the slider to toggle between modes in seconds. Military-grade solid carbon steel blade with aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubes. The 16-in-1 functionality covers off-roading, camping, hiking, and emergency recovery. It's compatible with an optional extension handle for extra reach when digging out tires. The compact size stores easily in a vehicle. To use it, deploy, slide to your desired mode, and dig. Users praise the speed of mode switching and the rugged build, but note the included multi-tools are less comprehensive than dedicated survival kits. Best for the off-roader or overlander who needs a fast-switching shovel for vehicle recovery and campsite tasks without fumbling with adjustments. The REDCAMP is crafted from heat-treated manganese steel, rust-resistant and deformation-resistant for its class. The 3-fold design packs down small, weighing 2.5 pounds with a storage bag included. The rotating nut adjusts the shovel head from 180 degrees for standard shoveling to 90 degrees for hoeing or digging trenches. The serrated cutting edge clears brush or preps firewood effectively. To use it, unfold, adjust the head angle by loosening and tightening the nut, and tackle your task. Users praise its value and durability for the price, but note the locking mechanism requires occasional retightening during heavy use. The HX Outdoors is forged from military-grade 440 stainless steel with reinforced dual-layer construction. Aluminum alloy tubes with textured, non-slip grip provide secure handling. Integrated tools include saw, axe, hook, hook cutter, whistle, knife, fire starter, bottle opener, hex wrench, nail puller, and glass breaker. The 180-degree multi-angle quick switch adjusts by pressing both sides of the shovel head. No tools needed. Users praise the comprehensive toolset and robust build, but note the weight is higher than simpler models. Best for the serious survivalist who wants a true all-in-one tool with fire-starting capability, glass breaker, and full-size shovel performance.